How do we make our post shareable? It's pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and make your post, for example, right here. I'm just going to type in, this is a sample post, shareable post. All right. Now, once I'm done with that, I'm just going to go ahead over to my profile right here at the top left. And under that, as you can see, there will be a drop down, which says friends or public. Just go ahead and tap on this one right here. And as you can see, if this one is only set for your friends accept, or only you, well, your post won't be shareable. So if you set this one to public, anyone can share your Facebook post. All right, I'm going to show you. If you want to, you can go ahead and set this one as your default option. Hit on save. And once done, I'm going to hit on post and wait for it to finish. As you can see, it is done. You'll be able to share it. When I log into another account, please wait a moment. All right, when I locate that particular profile, just right here, I'm going to tap on it to open the profile. Now I'm going to look for the post, which is right here. As you can see, it is now shareable. All right, just go ahead and type in your description right here and hit on share now, and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.